Welcome back guys. So we have our website and PHP running on the website. This is our website. This is our PHP script that is running on the website. Now comes the database. Now to start a database, you have to first run sudo service mysqld status. This will give you the status. Now it says that MySQL is not a recognized service. So this is actually great because we are seeing problems that you will see in real time while you are trying to do this for the first time. So when you see this, it means that our server is not able to understand what MySQL is. This is MySQL. D stands for daemon. The process daemon is the service that any package in Linux has. So it is not able to find the MySQL service, but we installed it. So I can do sudo yum list install. So I'm saying to yum list everything installed. And what this would do is give me all the packages. Now there are so many packages over here. How am I going to find MySQL? The first thing is this is alphabetically arranged. So you can go to my to m, which is somewhere over here, and there's no MySQL. So MySQL is not there. If you want to search more conveniently, you can do a grep. So this is called a pipe command, which is above your enter key. So hold shift and press the key above your enter key and do a grep, which says that only find a particular line. And which line do we need to find? I would do -i to say that don't search for case, which means that it can be lowercase or uppercase, and I would type MySQL. Now it says there's only MySQL nd installed. So what we will do is, so again, let me explain this again. This grep means that only find a line in this whole text. And which line do I need to find? I need to find the MySQL line and ignore the case. -i means ignore if it is lowercase or uppercase. So I can run the same command as like this, and it would still give me MySQL like this. And it's because of -i. Now we know that MySQL server is not installed. So I will do sudo yum install -y MySQL server, and I will also install MySQL devel, which is one of the files that the server needs. So MySQL devel and MySQL server is now running, and I would try to run my command again, sudo service mysqld status, and now it says it is stopped. So now it is able to find it. So I would do a start, and this started the MySQL server. Now this is very important. You have to make sure that your MySQL server is secure. And to do that, you have to run one command. And that command is called sudo mysql or mysql underscore secure underscore installation. Once you run this, it will secure your MySQL database. Now here it says root password, current root password. We don't have a current password for root. So I will hit enter. Set root password, yes. My root password is Vishu. And then remove anonymous users, yes. Disallow root login remotely, yes. And remove test database and access to it, yes. And reload privilege tables now, yes. And that is it. Your MySQL database is now secure with a root password that you set, and remote login is disabled, which means that you can only log into the database from here, from this terminal. No one else can log in from anywhere else in the database, and everything is secure. So let us start doing stuff with the web page.